Yes, the next topic that we are going to talk about is blogger. And the presenter, you have already met him a couple of times, a very enthusiastic educator and GEG Lucknow co-leader. So,
Yes.
hello, Imtiaz sir.
Yes.
Hello, both of you. Good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Good
Good evening.
evening. And we look forward to learning from you about blogger.
Right.
So, all yours.
Thank
All
you.
yours.
Thank you.
Get the backstage.
So, hello, everybody. Good evening. And today we are going to focus a little bit on Blogger. Blogger is again a very important part. So, let me first actually presenting from the both the days. So, no need to introduce to myself. It is already there, Imtiaz Ahmed, and I'm the GEG Lucknow leader. And these are my social media accounts, so you can follow. Now, what actually we are going to discuss today, and that is why would you would use a blog as a teacher or a student? How to create a blog, create blog post, add photos and other multimedia, label your blogger post, which is very much important part of this demo. Then inviting more authors. So this is all about the settings, and in that case we are going. So as soon as you will open the website, this website is given already there. So as soon as you will click on the this website, you will get this page where you first need to sign in. So you sign in with your Google account, and that is quite easy. After signing in, you will get these two boxes. That means the first box, you need to write the title, what blog you are going to write. And second is that you will have to choose a website or a web address, right? So web address is something like that. You can't choose whatever you want. It depends on the require and depends on the availability. So after that, you will get this window. There's again these two windows. That means the first window where, because you did not create anything, so it will be like create a blog. And then after, all the settings in the left hand side. So we will be discussing these settings once we will be in the blogger. And so now, without wasting, without taking much time here, we will be directly jump to the discuss that what we are going to discuss today. So how to create a blog first of all. So once you are signing in, because like this window will open, right? Because I'm already signed in. So this is the window I was telling. That means this is what after putting the title and the web address. So what you have to do there, simply go to the create blog. So write create blog, anything, right? I'm writing, suppose, GEG Lucknow. And then we will have to choose a web address. So if I did not take any other, GEG Lucknow. Yeah. And this is saying this is not available. So I will have to take anything else. Let's say GEG Lucknow India. This is still not showing. So I have taken 00. That means now this is available. Save. And that's it, done. So first blog is we have created. Now what we are going to actually do, so I did not mention more about the blogger, that what blogger we are going to use. So blogger is something like, if you are very much fond of to write the articles and device, like and you want to publish them so that other people can read, like you are getting some thoughts every time in your class maybe, or just you are a writer. So this is the best platform to publish your articles. So what we will do then we will go to the new post, and there we are going to make the new post. So suppose I'm going to just make my post greet and meet, right? This is what the name of my first post, and you will have to write, like, just type anything, welcome everyone, right? So this is what welcome everyone is there. Now what you can do. So all the features are there which we get in the docs or maybe in other platforms. So suppose we want, like, you want to increase the size, so that you can just choose any one of them. It is not like whatever you want, this is already fixed something. So suppose I want it this largest or medium or whatever you want, and then you can even change the font type and everything. So all kind of fonts are there. Then you want to make it like just control B or whatever, paragraph, and then other features. So many things are there. And even you can include or insert the multimedia as well here. So suppose you want to insert image, then simply go to the image option and upload from computer. So from wherever you want, you can simply upload this, choose the file, and then it can. So let's say I have just one image there, I kept it, and that's it. So the image has the same way you can upload a video if you want, or so see, the image is already there, right? So this is what, how do we do? And the important part which I'm going to tell is labels. So there are few more things we can do. So first thing is I'm going to, set a label. So set a label, like I want it, suppose GEG Lucknow. I'm just giving a name, GEG Lucknow. And then after you can do, location, you can set your location. Options, few options are there, whether you allow the reader comments or not. So this is what you can change, few settings from here directly, and then done, just publish. So just confirm, it will ask to confirm and then publish. So we have created one post, right? Now, because what is the use of these label? Like I have created a label. So what are the use of the label? So let's say I will just give a quick example. So let's say I'm just going to, set another post, say about, right? This is what about, and just write whatever you want. So you want to write anything. I'm not writing much of here. So just GG Lucknow, what is about there? So you can include any of the post. Again, say this time I'm taking any of the, let's say this is about, and any of the Word documents, right? So that also can be done, Word documents. So let's say I'm just inserting a link here. Okay, let me see. All right. So anyways, that means you can include any of the link here, and that then just apply. So the, that post will be there. So I will have to take the link and then again. So, and then nothing, so just again post. So I'm just going to post it, but I want to give the label once again. So what we will do, as soon as you will click here, the label which already you have set will, appear there. So just click on this label, and because I want to keep this in the same label, and publish. So confirm again. So now see, you can see that, GG Lucknow, it is showing there. But if you want to take any other, so very quickly, I'm taking another post, like say Google Workspace. Google Workspace, right? And that's, just write whatever you want. So I'm just, as I told you. And this time I want to give some another name. So let's say I'm giving the name Google only, right? And just publish. So whatever setting again you want to change, you can change, otherwise publish. So I'm just going to publish it. So see, so you can see the label, all the labels I can show you here. So let's see, these are the things. This is what, how to set the label. You can preview, and even you can preview the, if it looks good or not. So you can preview from here as well. So just, it will give you an idea that what else you need, right? This is what preview. And the way we do in the Google site, all kind of like desktop you want to preview, tablet you want to preview, or mobile, or just full screen, right? So, and what will happen if somebody will rotate the screen, so how it will looks like, that is all the features are there. So you can just try, and I'm just exiting from here. So this is there. Now coming to the main, and as soon as you will see, the any of the view, the, like suppose I want to see the about, so how it will looks like, you can preview from there as well. So this is what, GEG Lucknow about. And yes, so just go back, and there you will see all the, post what I have, created there. So this is about something, and other is greet and meet, right? So these all are the post. What happened when you will click here, the label will show here. This is the important thing, and that is the need of the creating or setting the labels, right? So as soon as you will click, as many labels you will set, you can simply, click here and jump on what you want to read on that particular blog, or you want to go for the particular, a post, right? So this is what, all the things about here. But now the important thing is like some settings. So there are so many settings. So we'll go quickly, about the settings. So all the post, so this is, already showing all the post, as many posts you want. Stats, so that, like, you want to see that how many comments, or what are the things, you want to see all the comments, you want to see how many views, everything, like we do in the YouTube, right? If somebody is commenting, then we can see the comments section here, because right now I did not share any of them. So like, okay, what I can do is I'm going to the post, and then suppose I'm sharing something. So let's say I'm sharing this link, right? So we can share that, but very easily. Just copy the link, and suppose I'm just pasting on the somebody. Please, I would request that someone please share this link so everybody can comment. Yes. Now coming back here, earning. So this is also like the earning, but for this you will need to create an account, and that should be verified. But it only depends on how original content you are adding in your blog. So you will have to first create an account, and once it is verified, then whatever the earnings are there, so you can check by yourself. Layouts, you can change all the layouts, themes, settings. So basically we are going what in level 2 on the in exam it been asked. So basically we talk about settings. So what are the settings? Let's have a quick review on the settings. So basic settings here. So you can see adult content or the something else. Privacy, whether you want to visible to all the search engines or you don't want. Now publishing and permissions. So this is important here, like how to invite other authors to include and to post in your blog. So let's say this is quite easy right now because I did not invite anyone. So this is showing pending authors invite. So like what you can do is simply invite more authors and say I'm just inviting someone else, like say Tariq and so just put the email address and that's it. Yeah, so this is what I'm just inviting someone. So then it will be showing that yes, pending authors invites are there, and once the person will accept, it will be there. So this is what inviting the other authors. And then comments. So this is one again important part, comments, that what kind of comment you want. So like comment location, embedded, who can comment. So you can choose any one of them. Users with Google accounts only, anyone like without even Google accounts, just for a little bit strict, so that everybody cannot comment or somebody else. So at least you can check with the Google account that who have commented, who is that. And comment moderation, you want the comment moderation. So I have clicked here never, but sometimes comment moderation, so you can moderate it by yourself or always, right? So that is what somewhat few settings are there. So if somebody will comment, then I can easily see that if somebody is commenting here. So let's see, so far nobody have comments, it's okay. Then these are all about the privacy. So you can visible to search engines that we have already discussed, right? And this all. So few more settings are there if you want, and just go by like comment notification email. So somebody is commenting and you want all the notification on your email. So this is all, so many things are there. Please, if somebody have any question in this regard, how to create label or something else, I would be happy to answer. So this is all. And even not only one blog, you can create so many blogs there. So I hope I have answered all the things and explained all the
Yes,
topics.
Yes, Imtiaz sir, you have very well explained the topics, and not only explained it, but you have demonstrated it very well. And
Thank you.
actually, you have explained each and every content of Blogger. You have completely decoded Blogger. So if anyone would like to start making use of Blogger, this is the perfect demonstration you have given to us. Thank you.
And I think even Blogger is a great way for digital linking, even for students. So
yeah,
you
that is
can,
very much important.
Yeah. So you can just create a blog for your class, and the students can start writing their reviews.
Yes.
It can be used for peer review also. So like when students write something,
peer review is very much important. Suppose you want, like you made the group 3-4 groups, and then you invited them as the author, so they will be keep posting and keep discussing. So a very good platform.
Many schools are using this Blogger as a platform for making the children ready for writing onto the internet.
Yes, and they enhance their skills of writing the articles, and writing and giving their thoughts.
Absolutely. And wonderful, Imtiaz sir, you went through each and every small part of it, like collaboration, commenting, and all the things. So there was a question in the chat, which was, what is the difference between sites and Blogger? So any thoughts on this?
Yeah, see, sites, like we keep, lots of content in our drive, so we can, keep so many things in the sites, right? You are putting the videos, docs and everything you are putting, and then inviting the other people for the collaboration. But, when we talk about the bloggers, then Blogger is something like you want the comment for the particular article, right? So not everything you are like just managing and checking that, okay, so I have to check this and this.
Yeah.
So very precise way of getting putting your
I think
article
sites
and
is
getting
more
the
of
comment.
like collecting everything together and keeping it
Exactly,
at one place.
exactly.
And
One
Blogger
place.
is putting down your thoughts and asking your peer review. Comments can be added. You can add more things. They're like pages within one set of tools.
Yeah. Yes.
So perfect. Thank you so much. Let us move on to the next
Thank you.
one.
Thank you, everybody.
All right,
you.
Imtiaz, sir. Thank you.